Alrighty, it looks like we are ready to build our games. We've done a lot of work. Let me open my... Oh, I don't have a main menu scene. I can't test this. That's okay. So let me open my scenes and make sure everything's working. Okay. So there's a few steps we want to do. It looks like my game's working great. There's a few steps we want to do before we build our game. The first thing we need to do is we need to go to File, and we need to go to Build Profiles, and we need to make sure all of our scenes are in the build profile and checked on the scene list. If you have scenes in your game that are not on this build profile list, then you need to click Add Open Scenes and open each scene from your scenes folder that you want to include in your final game, and then click Add Open Scenes. The last step here is you should make sure your main menu scene is scene number 0 on your game. Scene number 0 is the scene that will launch when your game is first opened up. So for right now, my scene number 3 will be the scene that opens up when someone plays my game. I'm going to start on scene number 1 or sample scene, no name. So my scene list looks great. Your scene list should make sure you start with a main menu scene. I'm just going to show an example really quickly. If I had a create new scene, I'm going to call it menu. Now, if I built my game right now, this menu scene would not be included in my game. I need to go to Build Profiles. I need to open my menu, and I need to add it to my scene. For most of my students' games, your menu scene should be scene 0. I'm going to disable the scene because it is not actually going to be part of my game. Okay, now that we have a build profile, we need to add the WebGL publisher. To add the WebGL publisher to Unity, we're going to go to Window. We're going to go to the Package Manager. From the Package Manager, we're going to click Unity Registry, which is these, little 9 squares with like one of the corners is like diagonal for some reason. That's the Unity Registry button. And we're going to search up WebGL Publisher, or you could just scroll all the way down to the bottom, and it's right near the bottom, WebGL Publisher. We need to install this package into Unity. The WebGL Publisher has a description. This tool allows you to make a WebGL build of your current project and upload it to Unity's website, where it can be shared with others. At the beginning of the year, we played other student projects. Now this project will be added through WebGL to that collection of student projects. Once you have WebGL installed, it'll say remove, and you can exit the package manager. You'll notice that you have a new button in your Unity UI. You have a new publish button next to your window button at the top of the screen. The publish dropdown only has one option. We can WebGL publish. WebGL is a build that will work on Chromebook, which is great for our schools because you could share it with your friends. Just not during school hours. WebGL project. We could play them and test them in classes. It's great though. So we're going to click publish, and we're going to click WebGL project. We're going to click build and publish. This button, if we hover it, will say create WebGL build and publish to Unity Play. When we click this button, once it's done loading, it will immediately open a window with your Unity Play page that you can save and share with your family, your friends, your cousins, anyone who might want to play your game. Once we click build and publish, let's just click any blue button that comes up. Blue is going to mean, yeah, let's click that. So switch to WebGL, select folder. We're just going to click select folder. Do not do anything on this window. Just click select folder. Now it's creating our build. This might take a little bit of time. I'm going to sit through it. You can fast forward until this white box is gone. But I'm going to sit here and I'm going to stare at this white box with no editing. So we're going to wait. And once this white bar disappears, I will have a pop-up on Google Chrome or on Microsoft Edge or whatever you use. And that pop-up will be my page for my game. That's not the finished step. We need to do one more step after that. We need to name our game, give it a description, maybe write a little bit about our game, and then it will be fully playable. We have to click publish one more time on that page, though. Oh, we also need screenshots of our game. To publish them, you should include a screenshot of your game. It's very important. I will add a screenshot of my game once I reach the publish page. While I'm waiting for this to load, no, I can't take a screenshot right now. We'll wait patiently. I'm going to sit on my phone and play app games while I wait. You guys can fast forward through this. I'm not saying anything. Oh my god, it's working. Alright, I'm back to my app games. I'm bored. Guys, fun computer science fact, it does not actually load faster when you shake your camera around like that. I don't want to confuse any of my students. Alrighty, it took me 2 minutes to load my game. Oh, no, it's still loading. I thought once the... Doesn't matter what I thought. Yep, this process takes a long time. Alright, if you're still listening, for some reason, my secret code is Chipotle Burrito. Tell me that my secret code is Chipotle Burrito to indicate that you've listened through this whole video and get 20 bonus points on your next assignment. Chipotle Burrito. This is not a sponsorship. I just like Chipotle Burritos. I'm bored. I'm bored in my house, and I'm in my house. Bored, and I'm bored in my house, and I'm in my house. Alright, responsible teacher thing. Maybe I should give you guys a vocab sheet while you wait for this to load, because this is a pain. Yeah, I am bored in the house, and I'm in the house, bored, and I'm bored in the... Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward through this, actually, probably. In post. We'll do it in post. Nah, you guys can just fast forward. Just fast forward. Look at the green bar. Fast forward the video. What are you doing listening to this? You shouldn't be listening to me right now. You should be living your lives. You should be past this in the video already. Forget about this. Go do something fun. 25%. Bored in the house and I'm in the house. Bored, yeah, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house. Bored in the house and I'm in the house. Bored in the house and I'm in the house. Bored in the house and I'm in the house. Bored and I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house. I should have taken the 25%. I should have taken the 25%. Someday love will find you. Something. I'm so bored. Look, I'm playing a Pokemon TCG app. It lets me collect Pokemon and fight in TCG battles. This is the app game I'm currently playing. Here you go, guys. Check it out. Right now I'm using a Celebi deck. Celebi deck came out 11 months ago. I can show you how to make video games. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, when did you last play video games? A whole video games. A whole new fantastic video game. No one to tell us no. Or video games. 'Cause now I'm in a game design class with you. Alright, let's play rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors says shoot. I did rock. What'd you do? Okay. So I guess if you did rock, then we tied. And if you did paper, then you won. And if you did scissors, then I won. That's really cool. Here's my reaction if you did scissors. Yeah, I won! I won rock, paper, scissors! Here's my reaction if you did rock. Ah, dang it. We tied. Here's my reaction if you did paper. Good game of rock, paper, scissors. You could rewind if you want to play again. Someday love will find you. Till then, dun 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 do, dun 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 do, dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. This is going to be used twice. That's only going to be used once. This is the technically better move. I won a Pokemon battle. My enemy has been defeated. I'm doing great. Oh my god, this took 12 minutes. Fast forward the loading screen, guys. Fast forward the loading screen. Oh my god. Okay. We're in. Okay, the loading screen's finished. So now I have this build. Now I need to click publish again. My build is only 11 megabytes. That's great. That's really small. I think our cap is 300 megabytes, I believe. So I'm going to publish this build, and that's going to upload it onto the Unity Play website. So we click publish. Now it's going to process. Upload complete. It's going to play it on this website. This is awesome. Now I need a couple more things. I need a drag and drop your files here. This is the game. Upload thumbnail. I need just a picture. So I'm going to go to my game, and I'm going to take a screenshot. So I'm going to go snip. So I'm searching snip tool. This is just how I take screenshots. If you have a better way, you could do that. But I go to my Windows button. I type in snip. I hit new. I click and drag to take a screenshot of my screen. I'm going to save this as game. Doesn't matter. And then on my publish, I'm going to upload that game image. That'll be my build. I'm going to name this. I'll name it generic 2D platformer. I'll call it Luke's. Do not use your last names on anything that you're posting online. Luke's generic 3D platformer. And I'll say, in this game, you hop around like a cool little guy and try to get some coins. So public, anyone can view it, and we will hit update. And that's it. Now we have our game published. So you can go to your company and you can view games that you've published. Now, I don't know what these are that are published under my name, so I'm just going to probably delete these. But, oh yeah, this is just a FPS micro game. But now, anyone can go and find your game and play it. I'm going to delete these. Well, let me see if there's anything in here. I don't think so, but I'm probably going to delete them. Yeah, this is just the generic 2D microgame. I'm definitely going to just delete this. And then what's this? Another 2D microgame, probably. Just stuff I was testing. Yeah. Okay, we're going to delete these. Oh, shoot. Guys, don't delete anything on the account. I'll be really sad. I shouldn't have even shown that in the video, but that's going to be the end of the video. Once this is posted, we are very happy, and yeah, we have our game posted online. You can submit your work by copying the link at the top of the page, going on Schoology, and pasting it into our assignment. That video is 20 minutes long, but it was 15 minutes of waiting around doing nothing, so hopefully it's not too bad. That's the end of this project, and hopefully we have a fun day.